I have a Miele dishwasher. It first gave me a error f24 code, so I got a new relay from Miele and replaced it. As soon as I turned on the machine with the new relay, it gave me the f24 error again. I turned off the machine and left it for 2 days. Then turned back on and it ran with no problems for almost a week before I got an f14 error. I pulled out the pump motor and it was clogged with some glass and plastic. Cleaned everything out and put the dishwasher back together. Ran fine for a few loads, and now it sometimes runs a cycle no problem, and other times it either will send a f24 or f14 error. Sometimes it runs through almost the entire cycle before I get the error. It keeps changing the error, but it is always either an f14 or f24. Any ideas what is causing this? I am thinking the circuit board may be bad since it works sometimes. And ideas?
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. Thank you for allowing us to help you. Sorry for the delay. Do you still need help with this? Please post the unit model number.
Miele model G2430 Psi.
Have you made sure the water is hot?
The water is hot. The dishwasher will work just fine for a day or two. Then out of the blue it will throw an error f14 or f24. I leave it turned off for a day or two. And then it is fine again for a while before the error comes back. This is why I think it may be the circuit board.
Yes, it would be the main control board that is faulty and will need to be replaced. Using the star rating chart at the top of your page and rating me at least a 5-star is how I receive payment for helping you. Please, if you do not understand my answer, don't hesitate to ask for more help. Bonus is appreciated. Also, rating me does not close this question, and you can still post here if you need any more help. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.